Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Finally, the rain has stopped and I can set up my outdoor space. But before I get started, I wanted to take a quick moment and thank Causeway for sponsoring today's video. Now, they were generous enough to send out a few items for my outdoor space, and I'll share those items a little later in the video. Now, Causeway is more than just an online store. They specialize in many different areas for your home, such as outdoor, kitchen, bath, and even sports. So, if you are in need of something for your home, check out the website below as well as a 10% discount. So, let's go ahead and get the deck set up, and then I'll share the items that they sent over. Okay, so I got this rug from Walmart. I'm not real sure if I'm going to use it on this side with the sofa or near the fire pit. So let's open it up and see what it looks like, and then I'll make a decision. So guys, one of the gifts that I received from Causeway was this lovely side table, and it complements my existing furniture perfectly. It has this extendable top where you can put ice and drinks on the inside. I thought this was just the perfect size as well as the perfect idea for this space. So I will link all of the items that I received below, as well as a discount code for 10% off. Alright guys, so this is what the pot is looking like. Now the plants are really small right now, but they will grow in time, especially the lemongrass in the center is going to really grow very tall. And I'll share a picture of it when we had it up last fall. It was very pretty. If you saw my fall deck, you would have seen the lemongrass in its full form. And so, yeah, these plants here, and so I'm not real happy with those. I might change those out because they're not blooming the way that I wanted them to. I wanted more pink flowers here on the edge, so we'll see about fixing that. On the front side, you can see this is what it should look like. And that is why I use faux plants. And so that brings me to the faux topiaries that I got from Causeway. They are very close to real life like plants, and I don't have to water them. So I really like having green plants and greenery around my home in the summertime because it helps to bring in a warm and inviting feel, but I don't always like watering the plants. So these are perfect. And I will have these listed in my description box as well. One of the items that I am enjoying this season is this fire pit, and this also came from Causeway. When it's not in use, I can use it as a table like I'm using here. I could put a plant on top, and it's even comfortable enough to bring out a drink or dinner or a snack. When not in use, you just take the lid off and you can place it on the side and you're ready to light your fire. It comes with everything that you need except for the gas tank. It comes with rock, but for a little added interest, I added some of my own glass beads that just takes it up to the next level. And I think it's beautiful at night, and I'll share a picture with you how it looks when it's lit at night. And so it is in a dark brown finish with bronze accents, and it's just beautiful, and it fits in with my decor. It also has a rattan side, and that also matches my sofa set as well as the drink table. So I think everything came together perfectly. And so I will list the fire pit along with all the other items that was sent over by Causeway in my description box down below. And I just want to say thanks to Causeway for sending these items over. I really truly appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope to see you at my next one. And if you enjoyed today's video and you are not a subscriber, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Alright everyone, welcome to my outdoor room. Just love spending time out here in this outdoor room, as I call it, because I recently purchased curtains to go all the way around, closing the space off completely. Just say you want me, say you want me back. Do you know what I see? I see myself across. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. We can't compete with speed and sound, 'cause hard is too hard to predict. You should admit, slowly things will come around. I'm still waiting for you to say it, say it. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be.
say it won't be